So it's me again, your ating judge, and no edit, no filter, just me. So ayan, for today's vlog, another vlog na naman about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So ayan, kung nandito ka sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe. So nakita nyo na may title, it's about give your best. So ayan, pag-usapan na nga natin to. So give your best. So eto, pag-uusapan natin yung about your dreams. So, lahat tayo may mga pangarap. Alright? So, hindi natin yun makukuha in one snap. Like this, in one snap, what I'm saying is yung agad-agad na nandyan na. Kailangan paghirapan, you do your best, give your best. If hindi mo ginawa yung best mo, do you think you deserve that? No. So, if ikaw yung type ng person na gusto mo yung quick, parang instant noodles, so, do you think ma-appreciate mo yung mga blessings na darating sa'yo? No, kasi hindi mo yun siya pinaghirapan. So, for me, based on my experience, every day I always give my best. Every day I always do my best. Why? Because I think kapag pinaghihirapan ko yung mga bagay, mas na-appreciate ko siya. And napaproud ako sa self ko. Like you, for sure napaproud ka din sa self mo kapag ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na para sa pangarap mo. For example, yung mga bagay na hindi mo inakalang kaya mo, magagawa mo pala. So, ginagawa mo yun dahil may pangarap ka, right? And, lagi kong motto, always give your best. So sa tingin mo, halimbawa, wala pang result, wala kang nakikitang result, ang tahitahimik ni God, don't lose hope. Just continue, trust the process. Okay? Lagi mo lang isipin, I always give my best. I will always give my best because someday, God will see yung lahat na ginagawa ko. God will see lahat ng effort ko. God will see lahat ng tiredness, sleepless night, cry out loud, cries, mga luha na tahimik na lumuluha paggabi, and yung mga battles na we fight for alone, to all the battles you fight alone. So guys, remember, someone is there na lagi tayong binabantayan. Hinihintay na lang tayong tawagan natin siya. Huwag tayong masyadong maglakas-lakasan. Kasi, hindi naman na talaga natin kaya. Personally, as a human, hindi ko kaya. And ikaw din, huwag ka maglakas-lakasan. Kasi, kailangan mo siya. Whatever happens, siya ang kailangan natin. But, kaya nga sinasabi ko sa'yo, kapag may tiyaga, may nilaga. Parang itlog lang yan. Hindi naman magiging nilaga ang itlog kung hindi mo siya ilalaga. So, what I'm saying is, lagi mo gagawin yung best mo sa araw-araw. Lahat yon may kapalit. Lahat yon may magiging bunga. It's either yung magiging bunga nun para sa ikabubuti mo or para sa ikauunlad mo. Basta wag kang susuko. Don't lose hope. You always fight for your dreams and give your best shot. Okay? Kung nanonood ka to, kung napapanood mo to, this is for you. To remind you na always give your best. Wag mong gawin yung best mo dahil may hinihintay ka agad-agad. Give your best every day. Para once you receive the blessings that you deserve, masasabi mo, oh, I deserve this. Oh, I deserve this. This is what I prayed for. Actually, this is this is so much. God, mapapasabi ka na lang. Kaya pala hindi niya binigay yung ganon, yung isa, kasi mas may malaki pa pala siyang bibigay sa'yo. And the more napahirap ng pahirap yung mga bagay, nahihirapan ka na, napapagod ka na, kahit binibigay mo yung best mo, parang wala pa rin nangyayari. Diyan ka wag susuko. Pwedeng mag-slow down, pwedeng kumalma, but don't lose your hope. Don't lose hope. Because remember, God is watching you. Chine-check niya or tinitest niya hanggang saan yung patience mo. And masasabi mo na lang, buti na lang, I thank you. I didn't give up. Thank you, God, for giving me strength. If napapagod ka na or hindi mo na kaya, always tell and pray, please, God, please take care of me. And I know that God is always with me. God is always with me. I can do all things through Christ because God's in me. Lagi nyo yung tatandaan, lagi nyo yung sasabihin sa sarili nyo. And I swear, para kang naka-vitamin A to zinc. Yung hindi mo alam kung saan mo kinukuha yung energy mo. And I swear, everything will be okay. Marami ka pang pagdadaan ng pagsubok sa life. Okay? I-share ko lang sa inyo kasi ganito ako eh. Nag-work din ako ngayon. Pero maraming nagsasabi sa akin, hey, don't work too hard. Hey, slow down. Hey, don't work too hard. Kailangan tapusin yung kontrata. Baka hindi mo matapos yung kontrata mo, wala ka ng energy. I don't mind them. Tell whatever they want. As long as I want to do what I want to do, I never step down. I never step in their names. I never do wrong things to them. Gusto kong magsipag. Gusto kong gawin yung best ko. I know in myself, pagkayari ng duty ko, nagawa ko lahat ng best ko. Kasi, for me, may job ako. I am thankful that I have my work, I have my job. Kasi, I am lucky that God gives me a job, so I'm taking care of it. I don't take it for granted. Because meron ako nun. So, I'm doing my best. That's why I am here, because para mag-work, right? Hindi para magpagulong, para mag-petics. I always think that God is watching. So I'm showing to Him that I deserve what He gives to me. And then I want Him to make me, I want Him to make me proud of me. Ganun lang yung mga mindset ko ngayon. So ikaw, always give your best shot. Okay? And always remember, God is watching you. Okay, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, share mo to sa friends mo na gusto mong marinig niya rin to. Okay, sa mga napanghihinaan ng loob. And always, don't forget, kung nagustuhan nyo to, comment down below kung na-inspire ba kayo. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And thank you for watching. Thank you, and see you again to my next vlog. Bye! And always remember, nothing is impossible with God. Just trust the process. Bye!